Hello friends, welcomes you in our YouTube channel Interview Point and thank you for joining Interview Point. So in this video, I am going to talk about how to create a form to add new item. Okay, so my today agenda is to create a form to add a new item. So like this, I want to create a form. So I want to add a form, add an item. Okay, so now let's get started. Before going to start this video, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you will get all the latest interview questions and all the POS application videos. So this is my latest video. If you will click on the playlist here, POS application Python tutorials and ASP.NET MVC tutorial, oops tutorial. Okay, so I'm hoping that you will subscribe my YouTube channel for the Facebook page. I have already given you today agenda. Okay guys, so what I am going to do here, so this is the previous screen that I have designed. So right now I am going to add a new form for item. So what I want to do here, add form. So I want to add a new form. So I am giving the name of this form as item. Click on enter button. So what I want to do here, just now I am going to design this form. So I need to change some property here because so this is the 4 color properties. So control box, these are the control box that I don't want. I want to hide this from control box. I center scheme and I am going to give one button here. Common controls button. So I am going to do one thing here. So button will be the close button. So back color will be the red, close and red button, and fore color will be the white. Okay, white. And font size will be, so I am going to do font size will be the complete form will be the 10. So this is going to open a property window. Here I will get the 10. So this is the form. I want to change I want to rename this button. So to rename this, so I want this will be the BTA close. On this close button, what I want to do here, I want to close this dot close. So this is the functionality that I want. So I want to open this form if someone click on the item button. So I am going to create an event. So this is the event. So I want to open this form, item form. So just create an object of that item, obj item is equal to new item. So this is the object that I have created. I want to open this show dialog dot show dialog. So I want to open this form. Okay, so I'm going to run this application. So this could, I need to enter some username and password, admin123. So click on the login button. So what I want, so if I will click on new button, this window is opening. If I will click on items, then I want that windows. Okay, so I need to design that window completely. Okay, so now in the close button, I am able to close this. So now I need to design this form. Okay, so this is the form that I want to design here. First need one more button where color will be the green and text will be the save. Okay, so this is the form that I'm going to design. As you can see in this screen, item name, lookup code, department, category. So some of the controls that I want, that is some label here. I want label. I want text box. Text box is in the bottom. This is the text box. I want some one checkbox for the checking, and going to give the name of this txt item name. Okay, so okay, like that we can design this form. So actually this is very easy to design. Like this we can design. We need to some, this is the two combo boxes that I want to design. One more combo box I want for the category and department. I want some label here, extra label here. So this is the label. So this will be the, just click on here, so I can change here the item lookup code. Item lookup code. After that, department and category. So I don't want here this will the below DLL as DDL department. Same as for the category, and same width, do the same, make same height and width like this. Okay, so what I want here, it should be the right align, something like this, do the same height and width. Okay, so this is that, this drop down is for the text, and one checkbox I want. So checkbox I can get from here. So what I want in the page load, this is the page load event. I want some save click event. Okay, so this is the, okay, so I want to rename it as button save. Okay, so I want to change also the event name. So if you will see here, I want this drop down and rename it also, so that you will get like this, rename all the things. Okay, so now I am going to write the logic for this. Okay, so I am renaming it also. So now it will look like this. So this is the my final design here. Okay guys, so this is the save and close button, this is apply discount, like this. This is a 3 drop down list. So I want to run this, and first of all I have to assign this form. So now I am going to open this form. Okay guys, so now let's so this is the form I have designed. Now I am going to run this application. So now understand so how it looks like. Okay, so admin 123, click on the login button. So this is the item. Okay, so like this is the form. So what I want, the save button, I want to save this data into the database table. Okay guys, so now let's create the code for this also. Okay, so just I have closed my application. So what I want to do here, so this is my database here. So I'm going to use my database. So this is the TV item. So right now I have 5 items here. So I have already created this code here. So you will find this code like POS create item, POS create item. Okay, so here there's so many list. So if you will click on the login, you will get the login form code here. Okay guys, so what I want to do here in the FRM load button. So what I want to do here, first I want to get the department and get the text. So this department I will get from the, this is my function that I have created. Okay, so this is the connection string. On this connection I have created in my this dbaccess class. So this is the connection string. So that variable I am using here. Okay guys, so this is the connection string con. So this is the that I am getting. So for that, what is the namespace that I am using here? So this is the two namespaces that I am using here for system.data and system.data.sql client. Okay, so like that we can get the department from the database. Okay, so like that we are creating this, and after that what I want to do here, I also want the get text. So for the text I have already created this. So if you have any doubt in this video, please ask me anytime, don't hesitate. So make the best practice, don't forget to use try and catch blocks. So if you will get any exception, so catch block will handle that and your application will not test. Okay, so this is the data adapter that I have used, and what data table. So this is the command that I have used, select id from item. So I'm going to run this query in my SQL server. So let's see what is what I will get here. So I will get these SGST, CGST, like that. So TV, department, and category. Okay. So what I am going to do here, I am just clicking here asterisk. Okay, so this will be good, so we can understand. So I have created three departments: clothes, electronics, and foods, and also here the men's, women's, fans. So this is the department ID for the clothes, men's, and women's, and for the electronics, this is the ID for electronics that I am going to use AC and fans, laptops and mobiles. And foods, one more department, that is foods. So in this category foods we have vegetable and oils. Okay, so one more things, that TV state and TV city. Guys, I have just created this dummy data for understanding purpose. I will show you how to create this also by using the Windows form. So this is the state and city that I used. So yes, so this is the data table that I used. So I want to fill this data table from this data SQL data adapter. So first, in the first position, what I want the select text and the index of 0 position. So this will insert into in this data table. So this is dt.rows.insert at this tr I want to add at the 0 position. So what I want, value member will be the ID. So this is the ID, as you can see here. This is the ID that I want the value member. And display member will be the name. So this will be the name, that will be the display member. And I am going to assign this data source to the text text drop down list. So same here I did for the category. So but what is the, so this is the select ID comma department name from department table. So the same thing I am using here. So by default category will not get loaded first time. So I am going to load it on the select department selection and index change event. You can see. So this is the I am going to use here. So if department ddl department dot selected value dot toString not equal to null, at that time what I want to the value of that select next, and for that id I want to fetch the data. So this is the id I am going to pass here. So you can see here the id I will get the id based on the department id. Okay, I will get that category based on the department category. So I am going to run this. So admin 123. So this is the form that I'm going. So this is I'm at the first page load. I will get this department, but I didn't get category, but I get the text. So you can see here is the four options: SGST, CGST, GST, and VAT. Okay, so like that. If I will click on this and select something, suppose I am going to select clothes. So in the category drop down list we will get two items with select. Okay, so it will be a select men's and women's. So you can see here select men's and women's I am getting here. So I am going to show you the code of this save button. So now let's understand the save button code also. So this is the code I want. So this is the code. So in the load button I am getting get department and get text. So in the save button code, what I want, this is the code for the save button click. So I am just going to show you save button code. So this is the, so what I want, first I need these drop down list IDs. So get department ID and category ID and text ID. So I want to save into the item table like this. So now you can see I have only the 5 item, and the last ID will be the 8. So this is, so what I want to do, I want to show you how we can add this. So this is the query. So insert into table item, lookup code, item name, department ID, category ID, cost, price, quantity, unit of measure, weight, tax ID, is it discount item, and entry date. So this is the fields that I am going to use, and this value I am getting from some of the value from the text box. This is the text box, and this value I am going to enter the entry date value. I am going to enter the current date time. Okay, so this is the checkbox CHK discount. If it will be checked, then I will get as true, otherwise I will get 0 as false. Okay, so 1 means true and 0 means false. So I am going to run this application and will show you one more things that is needed. So this is the query that I am going to execute in this function. So this is the function that I am going to use here. Okay guys, so I am getting that query in the as a variable as a parameter. Okay, so this is the connection string that I am getting from above. Okay, so this is the query that I am going to execute. First we need to open the correction and execute the query. If I will execute successfully, then I want to return as true, otherwise I want to return as false. Okay, if I will get any exception. So in this you can see in the success, and so I am returning there is bool bool, so success. Okay, so I will store it in success. So if I will get the success response, then it means item inserted successfully, otherwise item is not inserted. Okay, so like that we can create. So now I am going to show you, I have only 5 items. I am going to show you how to add that item in our table. Admin and admin 123, click on item. Now add, suppose I am going to use here HP laptop. So lookup code I am just going to give HPL and suppose 40. Okay, so this is the lookup code that I am giving here. I'm just going to electronics, and from here laptops, Cost suppose 35k or 35,000, and price will be the 40,000. Weight suppose 2 kg. Okay, so weight will be the 2 kg. Unit of measure EA each. Quantity suppose I am taking 10 quantity, and tax will be the GST. I am going to put as GST. Apply discount if I want to give some discount. So item inserted successfully. Okay guys, so after that I am going to clear this text box here. After my item is inserted successfully, I have also clear this. Okay, and this is the drop down that I have used as a zero index. So I am going to show you how I did this. So just close this. So if I will get the success message, after that I want to clear this. So this is the text box dot clear method predefined function that I used, and this is the drop down list. Select index will be the 0 for the 3, and check discounts will be the false. So this is the function that I have created, and this all the code is available in my blog. You can see this is the blog, so you will get all the code here. And one function that I have created today, the DB that is the execute insert query. So you will get this code also, so that I show you in the, this is the function. Okay, this is the function that is this one. Okay, so like that. Now I am going to show you in the item table. So right now I have 5 items. I am just going to execute. I can see here the 6 item: SP laptop, department 2, and category ID 4. Cost will be the 35,000 and price will be the 40,000, and quantity is 10. Unit of measure EA, weight 2 kg. So like that item will be created in today's date. So March 1st of March 2019. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, let me know through comment. I will respond to you when I will get time. I hope you will enjoy this video. I would like to have feedback from you. So if I will change anything in this video, I will update in my description. So the link of this code is available in the description. Get the code of this video. So thank you guys for watching this video.